Do you think that will be a claim during interview? Not at all. My dear students and respected parents, the most essential quality is that you have to be vocal at all costs. Because manager, if you have fantasized something about the manager, that he is having a very good laptop, a very good receptionist, these and that and all good AC rooms, that is your wrong notion, I am telling you. That wrong reality is something different. You have to prove yourself. Ability, creativity. Not by thoughts only, by deeds and action, I am telling you. And for that, all the clubbing activities which have been mentioned by different clubs. What is clubbing activities in management college? Is there any relevance? What is the relevance? You are not going to be a theaterist or a radio artist or television artist. What's the use of doing all such type of activities in a management college? Remember one thing. Our only objective is to make you employable, marketable. That's the only thing. If you are not marketable, if you are not employable, then there is no need to take admission in German. No need at all, I am telling you. And why GEMA is different? This is the point. We just want to make you marketable. Because in corporate world, there is certain benchmark, there is certain requirements which you have to fulfill. And so far as the placement part is concerned, for me it is a fun. Placement is a fun, remember. It's not a stressful exercise. It's a fun because it is totally based on your 2 years rigorous training. You have to undergo a rigorous training. You have to forget it, but what you were before. You have to prove that you are someone. अंग्रेजी एक शब्द distinction है ना? Distinction एक शब्द है ना? You have to make yourself distinct. देख के बोले ये जेमा का लड़का इंटरव्यू ही नहीं होगा. इधर 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 हो ना. इसको देख के सिलेक्शन होगा. होगा बोलिए. नहीं होगा. 2 साल के बाद इसका सिलेक्शन होगा. चाहे होगा मालूम है. इसका रंग का झड़ाई होगा. यही रंग झाड़ने का काम होता है. ट्रेनर यही करता है. आपका रंग झाड़ेगा. घूम जाइए पटना में. Remember one thing. If you are interested in degree, a very glossy square paper in a form of degree, then you can get it from anywhere. You can even scan. But remember one thing. Degree is not going to serve your purpose.
Please speak without mic, sir.
Not at all degree is going to serve your purpose. If you are having degree, at the same time, if you don't have set of skills which is required to cater the needs of the corporate world, that is of no use. You may be MBA, but you are not going to be inducted, you are not going to be introduced in good corporate houses. Because the knocking of the door will decide that you are from German. Is it not so? Knocking of the door will decide that you are from German. So far as the soft skill part is concerned, it is as good, it is as required, it is as essential as your study material. Because unless and until, if you are having full of thoughts in your mind, you are having everything in your mind, but there is a big gap between thought and action just because of this language barrier. Do you think that the company is going to recruit you? No. In no way the company will recruit you. But why GEMA is different? GEMA will try their level best to make you more and more marketable. That's why you have taken admission in GEMA. There are so many institutes offering degrees. And we are not obsessed. Remember one thing. We are not obsessed about our institution. But at the same time, the quality which we are trying to provide you, right, just to cater the need of the corporate sentiment, that is unparalleled, I am telling you. Because no institute is having trainer, no institute is having such a galaxy of faculty. They all are gems and mentors. Give them a big applause and big hand. They will change your destiny. They will change your entire life, I'm telling you. But this is not a one-sided affair, remember. 50% चाहिए स्टूडेंट्स और 50% टीचर का, तब मामला झकास होगा. Otherwise, it is impossible to excel in this corporate world. And your only objective, because you have paid such a hefty amount in terms of fee, so from the day first you have to decide that I have to be a passionate lot. You have to be a very passionate lot. You have to be positive Taliban, brother, I'm telling you. You have to act like positive Taliban, I'm telling you. If you don't have passion, आग नहीं है तो क्या करेंगे? भींगा गोइठा में माचिस मार के कुछ होगा? You should improve that quotient only. And be very realistic, as Shambhu sir has said. And once one member has just explained that two club members is essential. Why two membership here? Why two membership? You just prove your creativity, innovation, talent, set of skills in all the clubs. Because you know, after passing out the examination from this college, you have to do the same exercise in the corporate world. You have to repeat all such exercises in the corporate world, and you have to just go through all these departments. Here in this club, in the corporate world, it will be a department. So you have to perform the same things. So remember one thing, I'm always with you. All the teachers, they are the gems of Gemma. They are always with you. But the last thing, but not the least, so far as the placement is concerned, I just want to clarify one very important thing. We are not the person who might place you. No. तुम अपना प्लेसमेंट खुद करवाते हो. एकदम इसको धंसा लो. हमारी कोई कंपनी नहीं, कोई कंपनी नहीं है जेमा. जेमा कंपनी बुलाता है तुम्हारी मेहनत, टीचर्स की मेहनत, इन दोनों की मेहनत का अंतिम परिणाम तुम्हारा प्लेसमेंट होता है. और देयर इज नो शॉर्टकट इन लाइफ. थैंक यू.